have had lots of action this week, but it's looking like maybe it's actually going to calm down more so than we thought.
Yeah, it looked like we were going to be getting a lot of rain on Thursday, but the closer it gets, the less and less it looks like we're getting. So we will keep our fingers crossed. But today we saw cool temperatures, highs only in the mid 60s for us here in Bakersfield, but temperatures will be warming as we head into tomorrow. We're talking about clear skies across the county and winds significantly less than what we were seeing this time yesterday due to that storm that brought us some rain here in the valley and snow up in the higher elevations. But due to those strong winds, we're going to have another day of just gorgeous air quality. You're definitely going to be able to see the mountains tomorrow. We're going to be in the good range with an AQI of 49. So tomorrow we're going to be seeing a few clouds, but then we're talking about a storm making its way into the county starting early Thursday morning. Now again, the closer it gets, the less it looks like it's actually going to be hitting us here in Kern County. It's going to be staying actually near the coast, but winds are going to be picking up Wednesday night, continuing into Thursday. So we can see the rain making its way into the county on the western portion at around 6 a.m. But by the time we hit 8, it looks like most of that has evaporated due to the warm temperatures that we're going to be seeing tomorrow. So unfortunately, we are seeing this rain shadow. But if we do plan on getting any rain, we're going to get a few hundredths of an inch here on the valley floor, and we could see some snow, possible dusting down to past level. But these strong winds are going to be staying through the evening hours on Thursday, up to 40-mile-per-hour winds into Hatch Peak. So we're looking at those 70s tomorrow, then cooling down to 64 due to that storm. And then high pressure is here to stay through the weekend. Look at this. Temperatures jumping up to 90 degrees by Monday, which is very exciting. Definitely seeing those spring-like temperatures. And then we're going to be back down to the 80s by Tuesday. Kern River Valley looking at 67 degrees tomorrow, then down to 54 on Thursday, and then up to those low 80s Sunday and Monday, which is going to be just gorgeous. And then Tehachapi and Fraser Park, we're talking about lows that will be below freezing Wednesday night into those early morning hours on Thursday. So any of that moisture that does make its way into the county will be turning into snow up in those higher elevations. But again, that radar did not look too promising, but let's cross our fingers because we like to have at least one last rainstorm.
Yes, we'll take all the moisture we can get.
Exactly,
that's for
before
sure.
the hundreds start heading our way.
That's exactly right. All right, Allison.